Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 1997 to 2004 Dakota Club Cab. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Remove your fuel tank as well as your exhaust and exhaust hanger with a 13mm socket. Then, with a 15mm socket and 14mm wrench, remove the bolts and nuts retaining your factory fuel tank crossmember. Set your hardware aside and remove your crossmember. Step 3. Hold your replacement fuel tank crossmember up to the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Once in place, use a 15mm socket and 14mm wrench to reinstall the hardware on each end of your crossmember. Step 4. Paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, with a 13mm socket and wrench, use the included hardware to reinstall your exhaust and exhaust hanger. Reinstall your fuel tank. Then you're done.